It's not coming out. Ooh, how am I supposed to poop? Oh, hello guys, the name's Markov Yuri, and today, I will talk about the pooping sound effect from Ui. It's from a video called Gacha Poop. It was uploaded on September 28th. The sound length from this video is 0.26 to 0.34. The aesthetic music will be removed at the beginning and end. I will show you this sound effect right now. Oh, and forget about the private parts, because they will be censored. See, this is how the pooping sound effect sounds like. This sound is used when I poop in the toilet, although pooping right now. But I need to take a huge shit. I feel so refreshed. And oh, I'm gonna talk about the farting sound effect from very next. Make sure you use that sound effect for your bathroom break videos, okay?